What if the Indian Rebellion of 1857 had succeeded and India gained independence? Imagine an alternate timeline where, decades later, India joined the Central Powers in World War I. How would this change history? Let's dive into this fascinating scenario. 1857, the War of Independence. In this alternate reality, the rebellion isn't crushed. Instead, Indian forces, led by a coalition of freedom fighters, prominently Mughal Empire under Bahadur Shah Zafar, Nana Sahib, and other independent Indian rulers successfully drive the British out. India emerges as an independent nation, one with immense resources and strategic importance. But independence brings its own challenges. Would India become a monarchy? A federation of princely states? Or perhaps a unified republic? In this scenario, let's assume India consolidates into a strong nation-state led by Bahadur Shah Zafar or Nana Sahib by the early 20th century. Let's assume this newly formed country using this flag, a depiction of Hindu-Muslim unity and hosting the war cry of Vande Mataram, which was sung by the anti-British Indian rebels. Fast forward to 1914. The world is at war. On one side, the Allies, led by Britain, France, and Russia. On the other, the Central Powers, Germany, Austria-Hungary, the Ottoman Empire, and now, a free India under the command of a monarch. But why would India side with the Central Powers? The answer lies in shared interests. After decades of British exploitation, India has no love for the British Empire. Germany and the Ottoman Empire offer an opportunity for revenge and strategic alliances. Joining the Central Powers, India brings immense manpower and resources to the table. Millions of Indian soldiers march to war, tipping the scales in favor of Germany and its allies. Indian ports like Bombay and Calcutta become hubs for military operations, threatening British supply lines in the Indian Ocean. From the Middle East to Southeast Asia, India's involvement opens new fronts against the Allies. The war drags on, reshaping strategies on both sides. If the Central Powers win, India emerges as a key global power alongside Germany and the Ottoman Empire. The British Empire, humiliated and weakened, retreats from the world stage, and the 20th century becomes dominated by new alliances. But if the Central Powers lose, the consequences are dire. India might face severe repressions, and the Allies, led by Britain, could attempt to recolonize or weaken this newly independent nation. Regardless of the outcome, an independent India's involvement in World War I would reshape global geopolitics. The British Empire would lose its crown jewel far earlier, and the colonial system in Asia and Africa might collapse or persist longer, depending on the balance of power. In this alternate reality, the world as we know it might look completely different. Perhaps a stronger Germany and Ottoman Empire dominate Europe and the Middle East. Or a militarized India becomes a superpower, redefining Asia's political landscape.